So, hi Mitali, how are you?
I'm good, Ria. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm also good. So, how is your journey going on in your life and business?
It's going on really, really fantastic right now. It's been like crazy journey. I'm loving it. I'm loving all the things that I'm doing. And in terms of the clarity that I've got with by working with you, from past 3 months, it's been amazing. Thank you.
Oh, thank you
Yeah,
so much for this. So, Mitali, can you share some of changes in your life and business after joining the program?
of course. Yeah. So after joining the program, do you remember, Ria, when I joined with you, I came with a specific intention that I want to create results in just 1 week to 15 days. I had that urgency that I had to create some result and I had to get some clients. So it was crazy journey when we started. We did a lot of one-to-ones initially, and I got a lot of clarity. So when I got those clarity, so clarity is one thing that has helped me get that confidence and conviction in my offer, and that you helped me with in the beginning of the program. And that has been a very big shift for me, which has helped me create 1 lakh rupees in that week itself, in that 1 week of 15 days of period. I have achieved 1 lakh rupees with your
Wow,
support.
wow,
I have
great.
been working with a lot of other coaches as well. But what has been happening is I've been doing the courses, listening to them, but there is no one-to-one support. Business is such an aspect where somewhere at some point you need some hand-holding. You need someone who you can talk to when you're stuck. So that has been a very plus point for me by working with you. So I've got a complete clarity as to what other structures, strategies, and planning, and a lot of things. So business में तो हुआ ही है in terms of money aspects, in terms of client results. Clients are also getting results now. So from past couple of days, even clients are sharing with me that I've got client. So that is another, another happiness point. कि clients मुझे मिल रहे ठीक है मेरे clients को भी clients मिल रहे. So that is another happy point for me. And yeah, of course, in terms of my personal transformation also, things have been shifted in my family, in the way I'm conducting myself, in the way I'm speaking. Because in your entire program, you have covered almost personal development का भी है, career को मतलब business को लेके भी है. So you have combined those things, which has overall helped me a lot.
Oh, great. Great to know about this. So, if I ask you, what are the biggest shift that you are actually seeing during the sessions?
Biggest shifts, okay, during the sessions. Biggest shift is that again, in when it comes to the business, you need to have a lot of clarity. And
Right.
the way you have been conducting your sessions in a very deeper way, any topic you take any topic, you start like you have you share like you teach that in a very in-depth way. So that has been a very nice learning for me. Whenever you go and deliver any program, any session, there has to be in-depth, मतलब पूरा अच्छे से वो एग्जाम्पल के साथ वो कंसेप्ट अच्छे से पढ़ाना. That is something I've learned a lot from you. And the way I don't know what to say, like I have words are less to express the gratitude that I feel for you for being in your space, you know. तो
So much.
मतलब I have learned a lot. अभी मैं क्या क्या बताऊँ, because entire session it used to go to 2 hours, the entire program, the 3 months journey, and I have not missed a single session, as you know. Only
Yes.
one session I missed because I had to travel somewhere. So I used to just look forward to being in your sessions कि आज क्या पढ़ाएगी, आज क्या नया रहेगा. Every time it was something unique, something very हटके, कहीं पे किसी कोर्स में मैंने ये देखा नहीं है. This is very different course that she offers. Yeah.
Okay. And if I ask you, what is the biggest shift you have seen emotionally? Like, if I talk about the emotional part of you, so what is the best result that you have seen after joining the program?
Emotionally, emotionally, I'll have to say one thing that emotionally I was a quite stable person because I have already done a lot of inner work तो कहीं ना कहीं emotional part and all those things in terms of my personal work, inner work, I've been doing from a long time. So basic major breakthrough I got is was in my business only.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
So
what about confidence in business? Like, have you got confidence while you doing business?
that I told you initially in the first statement itself, that when I got a clarity in the first week itself, we did a couple of sessions, 3 4 sessions, and there I got complete clarity. Like you gave me that conviction that you can do it, Mitali. When
Hmm.
you said कि you can do it, I was like, okay, if she's telling me, why not I am saying to myself कि मैं कर लूंगी मिताली.
And you are doing wonderful, Mitali. The work you are doing, it's just amazing. You're taking, consistent actions. You're like, what happens is when we say someone to do something, and when they do it like consistently on time, so that's where the great results we can see in someone's life. So I think you should be happy about it, that you are taking a consistent actions in your life as well and in your business as well.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah, thank you
So
so much.
Abhi, if I say, if I talk about earning wise, how, matlab, if you are comfortable to sharing with me, like how many clients you have got so far in just 3 months?
Yeah, I have so far I've got 12 to 13 clients, and in terms of monetary, I've crossed 2 lakh mark.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Okay. So, what would you say to someone who wants to join this program?
Don't think much, just jump in and do what she says. Keep your brave, keep your all resistances outside. Don't think much and just jump in because she's amazing.
Thank you so much for this, Mitali. It means a lot. And one last question, Mitali, I want to ask you. If you had to describe your journey in just one sentence, what would it be? Like the whole journey of 3 months that you had covered with me.
Incredible journey. I'm loving it because I've been struggling in this field from past many years. Maybe 4 to 5 years I've been struggling. But
Hmm.
right now with you was somewhere I got the big breakthrough, Ria, to be very honest. And the way you also handle all my questions, you help me with the prioritization and planning, getting disciplined, and that has helped me a lot because uski wajah se then I've started taking consistent actions.
Yes. Oh, okay. That's great, Mitali. So thank you so much for connecting today and talking about your result, your breakthroughs. And I just want to say you congratulate and all the best, that I know that you are going to create a massive, massive result very soon, because you are an action taker and you are just amazing person as well. So thank you so much, Mitali.
Thank you so much, Ria. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.